We're going to learn how to control the page layout. Firstly, we're going to learn how to set a margin, and secondly, how to set the page orientation. In order to set a margin, we go to the Page Layout tab, to the Page Setup group, and we go to the Margins icon. Margin basically sets the text, how far the text appears from the edges of the pages. So currently we are on normal. I'm going to select narrow, and as you'll see, the text has moved closer to the edges of the page. Moderate, wide, and this obviously makes the text go towards the middle of the page because the margins are quite wide. And the last is mirrored, and this is generally used when you are printing pages to be bound in a book. If none of these margin options suits your needs, you can go to Custom Margins, and here you can tell Word how large or small you want the margins in centimeters. So we can control it by selecting top left and bottom right in centimeters. So we can either click on the top and bottom arrows, or we can physically write in the amount of centimeters. To change page orientation, we can also change it in this Page Setup dialog box, so it's either portrait or landscape. I'm going to select landscape, and I'm going to click OK. Now if I want to change it back to portrait, we can go back to our Page Setup group, go to Orientation, and click Portrait. So the quicker way of changing orientation is go to our Page Setup group, click on Orientation, and we can change the orientation from there. And that is how you set a margin and page orientation in a Word document.